We here at Volvo Construction Equipment are proud to be the official track building partner. We're here now in Montalegre, helping to finalize the new Joker lap.
So the track here in Montalegre in Portugal, we've changed the position of the Joker lap. We're trying to move all the Joker laps away from turn one because it breaks the race up too fast. And here we've taken away an asphalt Joker lap and created a new gravel Joker lap. It's great to have Volvo Construction Equipment here as the official track building partner. We have a wide range of machinery, which means we can achieve all the tasks we have in hand very quickly and effectively.
We do that with our most effective products and services. So now, let's go racing!